Hey guys, today I would like to share my personal experience with this 3-pack iPhone fast charger. Well, as someone who uses their phone extensively, I have always been on the lookout for a charger that is fast, reliable, and easy to use. And I have been using this 3-pack fast charger for a while now, and I must say that they have exceeded my expectations. The chargers are very fast, reliable, and they have helped me keep my iPhone fully charged at all times. Well, the 3-pack iPhone fast chargers is a set of 3 chargers that are designed to work with iPhones and iPads of all generations. The charger is Apple MFI certified, meaning that it is made with the highest quality components and it is designed to work seamlessly with Apple devices. The charger comes with a 20 watts PD adapter and a 6-feet Type-C to Lightning cable, which ensures that your phone charges quickly and efficiently. Overall, I would highly recommend this 3-pack iPhone fast charger to anyone who is looking for a reliable, fast, and efficient charger for their iPhones.